Ears, look at the hands, look at the, I made a shaped bear. This is how to make a shaped bear. And it, so first I have to gather all my slime. That wasn't a slime bubble, it's just a blob.
Okay, that's it.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making slime. I'm so excited to make slime.
So we got this slime kit from ELMERS here, and we are going to be showing you guys how to make slime.
So right now, without further ado, let's get started on this slime video.
So I am going to be opening the slime kit.
So here is some, let me see. Here's some magical liquid. So I'm just gonna leave it right
And we
here.
got this blue glitter glue here.
Yeah, that's the blue one. Let me show you guys. It's the sprinkle blue one. Is that?
And
Wait, let
this
me
has
see.
purple.
I see some glitter. I see glitter. So guys, here is some glue. Some purple glue. Here's some magical liquid. Here's some blue glue that my sister's going to be using. And here's our bowl, our spoon to mix. Here's my sister's.
So first you have to pour in the glue.
So guys, now we're opening it. It's quite easy to open it. I'm so excited. So here I go. Whoa, look how it's turning. I feel it. It's a bit hard. And guys, I'm just gonna tell you how to make slime. So first you need to add the glue, the whole thing. Mine's gonna be purple glitter slime. So now we're gonna be pouring the glue.
Whoa, this is so amazing.
I know. I'm just trying. Mine's coming out a bit. I have to squeeze. Whoa, look how mine's turning already. Mine's turning so beautiful.
Oh my gosh, I just love this glue.
Yeah, mine's purple. And mine's so sparkly. I never did this. I see all the bubbles. So cool. They are now, and then they're running out.
Oh my gosh, Elise, this is just epic.
Okay, let's see. There's still a bit more. I have to squeeze that whole thing out of there. And then after, guys, you need to mix it. But we're going to do that step 2. That's step 2. There's still some a bit more glue.
So I've just finished pouring inside the glue. So
Me too.
now I'm going to add the ELMERS magical liquid.
Yeah, same as me.
Only a tiny bit.
Yep.
That's it for now.
That's it for now too.
And then now you have to get your spoon and mix. Whoa!
Whoa, look, how's mine? Look, mine's turning so sprinkly and gooey. I love mine. I'm mixing it.
I love mine too.
Me too.
This is so amazing.
I see. Whoa, look how I can see Liana. Look.
Mine's kind of turning into slime. It's forming.
Mine's forming too. It's so quick. Whenever you use these, it's so quick. I know, right? It's turning into slime so good. I like it.
Just a bit more of the ELMERS magical liquid. Only a bit.
Me too.
That's enough.
That's enough too. Now I'm gonna carry on mixing, guys.
Same as me.
Whoa. I'm gonna mix all the edges so it can turn into real slime. Okay, time to mix. I have to just keep on mixing. I see my slime.
My slime's forming a bit.
Me too. Okay, and just keep on mixing. I'm gonna see how to put the bottle up. Ooh, mine's so stretchy. Time to everything. See?
Okay, now mine's forming.
Mine's forming. I just have to get all the glue. Mine's gathering it all together. Mine's turning into slime.
Same as me. Oh. This is just amazing.
Yeah, this is just amazing. I see the sparkles. I have to get all the slime. Slime, I love slime. Now let me see if it's stretchy. Whoa.
Okay, Elise, now I'm gonna start mixing with.
No one is talking.
So now we're just gonna keep on mixing.
Yeah, we just keep on mixing. Oh, look how mine is turning. I see, mine's so stretchy and gooey. Now. Mine's gooey.
So nice.
Yeah, mine's so nice too, Liana. Now let me see. Whoa, look how stretchy it is. Okay.
Now we're gonna be kneading with our hands. Whoa, this slime is so nice.
Yeah,
It's so stretchy.
Hey. So stretchy.
Whoa, look at this, guys.
Wow, it's so beautiful and so good.
So now we're gonna be kneading with our hands and taking it out of the bowl.
So now I'm taking mine out of the bowl. Take it out.
Whoa, this slime is so stretchy.
Yeah, I have to take out my spoon first to see how I can play with it. It's so sticky though. I need to put the spoon back. Okay, now I can enjoy playing with it.
Oh my gosh, my slime's so stretchy, guys.
Yeah, mine's so stretchy too. Mine's not even breaking. Whoa, look how
Whoa.
stretchy it is. It's so stretchy. I'm gonna try and make a bubble. 3, 2, 1. Stretch it out.
Well, guys, this is so amazing.
So gooey. I have to take this out so I can. Okay, I have to take my hand out of it. Squish, squish. Look how the noise is making. Look how much dots I made.
Look at the poking.
Yeah, so stretchy. Now I can try and de-stretch it. Yes.
Whoa.
Out of here.
This is just so cool.
Yeah, so cool. Got it. Yeah. I have to put this back inside my dinner. It's so gooey and sticky. Okay, let me see.
This is just amazing.
Yeah. And also sticky. Do not forget. It's also so sticky. Let me see if there's still some sparkle. There's still some glitter and sparkle in it.
I just love my slime. Look at all of the glitters.
Yeah, look at mine's turn. Mine is so gooey. If I wrap it.
Look at all of the glitters inside my slime.
Oh, wow.
So, I made a bubble.
Oh, how did you?
Look, I made a bubble. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Let me try. First, I have to get all my slime. Okay, I'm gonna try and make it, even though this is my first time making bubbles. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I'm gonna try and make another one. That was not really a bubble. Wait. First, I have to get all my slime.
Oh, I didn't make a bubble. It's so stretchy.
Yeah, I don't know why it's so stretchy. So it's stretchy. I guess that's how you make slime.
So guys, we hope that you like this video. Look at our slime, is so stretchy and glittery.
Yeah, I
my
like how so
gosh.
stretchy and glittery. I love how so glittery. And guys, I love slime. Slime is
Oh
just
my
amazing.
gosh. Look at the stretch.
No. Mine's even stretchy. So stretchy. If I put it on the table, let's stretch it out.
Oh my gosh.
Let me try.
This is so amazing, Elise, right?
Yeah. I see my claws. Gooey. It's so gooey.
Look, it's a bubble.
Yup, it is.
This slime is just amazing. Look at it, it's so stretchy, guys.
Whoa. This is amazing.
I know, right, Elise? This is so amazing.
Yeah. Guys, you know what's exciting about the slime? How it's so sprinkly. It's so sprinkly, and I can even see through it. I can see the table.
Yeah, guys, look at the glitters. It's so amazing.
Yeah,
And it feels so nice on my hands. Like, it just feels so good. And look at all of the glitters.
Let me try to find my glitter. I see the tiny glitter.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
All of the
Just, oh
glitters.
my gosh. I just love this slime so much.
Me too.
So good. I love the glitter. So stretchy.
I know, right?
There. I made a little cave.
Look at it, it's so stretchy.
Yep, it's so stretchy. Now let me try and see how much stretch it can go. And if it breaks, that means that it's not even breaking. How much stretchy is it? I can't even. It's breaking a little bit. Whoa, it looks like I'm making an icing.
Whoa, Elise. That is so cool.
Yeah. What? Ah. Oof. Let me get it back. For you, that was almost close. Now, I'm gonna take it. Now, I'm gonna just try and get it all off my hands so that I can knead it.
It makes a satisfying sound when you poke it.
Yep, it
Listen.
does. I think that's all the glue that's on my
It makes a
hand.
satisfying sound.
Let me try and poke it. Look at all the holes I made. I made this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. It's so gooey and stretchy. I love it.
Me too. So if you guys want to make slime, make sure that you get it from ELMERS, because ELMERS is really good and it's so nice.
Yeah. So guys, do you like how it turned out? Because mine's all purple.
And
I can
mine's
see
blue.
through it. I can see through it. I love slime. Whoa, look at the bubbles. So cool. Yeah.
This is so amazing.
Let me try and make a bubble now. First I have to get all my slime to make a big, massive bubble. Get all my slime.
Whoa. This is
Okay, time for me to get my slime. And now I'm gonna make a bubble. 3.
Look at all of the
2,
glitters
1.
inside it.
Boosh. It didn't work. Boosh. Oh yeah, I have to unwrap it from here. Whoa. Pop, 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 pop.
So stretchy, guys.
Mine's so stretchy.
Whoa.
It's so stretchy, man, and so gooey. And so
Mine's
sticky.
so nice. I hope that you've enjoyed our video. We recommend ELMERS because ELMERS is a really nice slime. So make sure that you subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Please hit the notification button so you don't miss any more of our videos. And also, thank you guys for watching this video.
Yeah,
We
and
hope
make sure that you
like
follow us on Instagram if you can. Bye, guys.
Yeah, we said we let it go, but we settled for the last. Couldn't let you want it though. Who am I to let you down? No, who am I to let you down?
So guys, you have to like space it out to make this slime.
Mine is lit. I made a H, I made a H, I made a H. I made a shoe.
Guys, look at that big slime bubble. Look! Elise just popped
Okay,
it.
take a slime, okay? Take a slime.
If you let me walk away, maybe then we'd lose it all. No. Who am I to let you
And then you get some slime. And then if it
Just
blink,
do it like that.
then
Bigger, see?
yeah, I know. But it don't matter because it's both the same size.
That is so amazing, Elise.